If you need to change your age on Epic Games, the most important thing to know is this. Epic does not let you directly edit your date of birth in account settings, so if you were looking for a quick birthday edit inside the profile page, you won't find it there. The only legitimate way to request a correction is through Epic Games support. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to do that safely and correctly. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com/help. This is the official Epic Games Help Center, and it's where you need to start the support process. Once the page loads, look for the Contact Us option and click it. Next, you'll be asked to sign in. Use the same Epic account that has the incorrect age or date of birth tied to it. After you sign in, choose the support category carefully. Select Account, then Account Info, and then choose Update Account Info. This helps route your request to the correct support team so they know you are asking about account details. Now in your message, clearly explain what you need. Keep it simple and direct. You can write something like, I need to request a correction to my date of birth on my Epic Games account. If you want, you can also mention that the current DOB was entered incorrectly and needs to be updated. The key here is to be honest and clear, because support may ask for verification before making any changes. Once your request is written, submit the ticket and wait for Epic support to review it. They may reply by email with follow-up questions or instructions, so keep an eye on your inbox and even your spam folder just in case. And that's really the main method, because Epic does not provide a direct self-service option for changing age. So if you're trying to fix an incorrect birthday, contacting support is the only proper path. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Epic Games tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.